This video isn't going to tell you to do the same thing that everybody else tells you to do, like post 2 to 3 times a day, post at the right time, use captions, or post good content. No. What's up everyone, my name is Relly and I'm a video content creator, and while all of those things are true, I personally definitely don't post 2 to 3 times a day. I don't use captions. I don't post at the right time, at least I don't think I do. And I generally post good content, but the internet is the internet and not everyone likes your content. I definitely saw that in my last video. I posted one video that gave me the boost I needed to quickly get to 1,000 followers. And I'm gonna explain a couple reasons why I think that this video helped. The first reason is I believe that I had a good hook. I started the video by saying I made a commercial using only 3 photos. And while it's not necessarily a full-on commercial or ad, it still left the viewer kind of wanting to know what's gonna happen or even if I could do it. A lot of people said that they doubted me at first, but it still kept them engaged and prevented them from scrolling past my video. The next reason is the quality and the pace. I had a fast pace, meaning I was switching between shots and stuff like that very quickly to kind of keep people engaged. And then the quality, I recorded it in 4K, and so when I uploaded it, even with the social media compression, it still helps my video stand out a little bit more. And even on top of that, it might make people think that, oh, he recorded in 4K, he put that much effort into this video, so it's worth a watch. Another reason is that I fit everything into one video, meaning that not only did I show the behind the scenes, I showed the outcome of the video, because for me personally, I hate it when you're watching a video and then it's like and follow for part 2, you go watch part 2 and then you realize everything they said in part 2 could have been said in part 1. So like things like that, I think just because I had everything consolidated and concise, that's why this video was played a lot. Another reason is the loop. People have been loving loops since the Vine days, even before that. So when people see things seamlessly loop, it pleases the eyes and the ears. And so to get that to loop in my video, I just had to think about what I was gonna say at the end of the video and the beginning, and then take all of that in one take. Now, there's a couple of reasons might not be the exact reasons why my video had the little bit of success that it did, but I'm sure that there's some truth to it. I'm sure that there are other factors like using hashtags, hitting 2 different niches at the same time, or just the fact that there's not that many behind the scene product videography videos on TikTok specifically. Those probably did help my video get seen or get put in front of everyone's face on their FYP. So those are just some things that I think might have helped.
So for today's video, I decided to show you how to change the color of your clothes without actually changing your clothes. So the first thing that you need is your sound. I already have my sound and I saved it to my phone. I'm just gonna show you how you can do it. So let's go to TikTok. Let's pick this video. It doesn't matter which sound you're gonna use. And then I'm gonna choose the 3 dots at the right bottom, and then I'm gonna press on save video. And that's how you save a sound. The second thing that you need is, of course, your video. Film your video. I filmed it in slow-mo. You can film it in any way you want to do. I'm gonna actually show you the video that I filmed. So it is right here. It is in slow-mo, so you will see the end of this video. There we go. So that's the video that I filmed. It doesn't matter if you want to do it slow-mo, you can do it slow-mo, but if you don't want to do it slow-mo, you don't do it slow-mo. And now as you have your video and you have your sound, now we're gonna go to iMovie to put them both together. So I'm gonna go to my iMovie, and I'm gonna press on plus, movie, and I'm gonna go to videos, all. Choose the video that I filmed, which is this one. Create movie. And then I'm gonna press on plus, and then I'm gonna press on video. I'm gonna press on all, and I'm gonna pick a video with the sound, which is this one. Press on the 3 dots, and then the sound wave, just so it's a sound and not a video. I'm gonna drag it all the way to the front. So now to flip the video, because we don't want a little square, I'm gonna just grab my 2 fingers and then basically press on the video and just flip it. So that's what I'm gonna do. There we go. And now I'm gonna match the video with the sound. So I'm gonna cut the video just like this. Nope, too much. Okay, so perfect. I'm gonna just cut this video just so it matches the sound. So split and then delete. And then what I'm gonna do is actually remove the sound from my video because we just need the sound that's the song and not the outside noises that we don't need. So let's remove the sound from this video. There we go. And that's it. We're gonna press on done and we're gonna save it, save video, and HD 1080. And now you guys, the last step. We're gonna go to VideoStar app. So I'm gonna press on plus, and then I'm gonna press on edit video, videos, and I'm gonna press on this video that I just downloaded from iMovie. I'm gonna flip it just like that so it's full on screen, and then make video. So now as I have this, I'm gonna press on new, and I'm gonna press on re-effect, and I'm gonna press on plus, and I'm gonna press on the loop, and we're gonna try to find shift colors or color. There we go. I think this is it, right? Yeah, that's it. So as you guys can see, my skirt is changing colors. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna press on it, and I'm gonna go this way and press on re-effect and wait until the gunshots start. So let's see. So as you guys saw, my skirt changed a lot of colors. And basically, that's it. You don't have to do anything else. So what I'm gonna do is press on exit, press on that saving icon little thing, and press on send to camera roll.
Today, we're gonna be showing you guys some really awesome and easy photo hacks to do.
Guys, I think I'm losing my mind. Just a little. Help, please.
All right, let go of me. Let go of me, Alan. Okay.
Obviously, that was just an illusion.
It's pretty simple to do, actually. Obviously, you need two people, and the first person gets inside a pool. Whoever has the bigger butt, you can take it. No, I'm joking. For me, you get inside the pool, and you're gonna want to not show your shoulders. So what works best for me is I cross my arms, and I'll lean my head over here like this. So for the front, it looks like it's just my head showing, like just dangling off. And for me, I have to lean all the way down. It's very important to put your head down, meanwhile arching your back up, but not too much. So it'll look like this. Don't mind my stomach. You don't have to grab my hair so hard. And if done correctly with the right angle, it should look just like the way we did it. Like,
I'm posting that picture, Alan.
that right there says next Instagram picture.
I'm posting it?
All right, yeah.
Oh. Alex, why'd you ruin it?
What do you mean? I didn't
You-
ruin anything. Wait, why are you on the ground?
I'm making it look like I'm falling off a building. What are you?
I've done this before. Okay, wait, so for this one, if you want to appear that you're falling off a building, you're gonna want to find some steps like this and a sidewalk. And what you do is you just lay down on the ground.
Take one arm like this, except you have to make it look straight.
Like act like you doing a pull-up.
Yeah, no, like do this with your feet. Do this with your feet, and have your other hand down like this. Your hand's supposed to be back like this, Alan. Alan, your hand's supposed to be back like this. Yeah.
Kind of like in the air.
Make sure your feet are like dangling up in the air, like you're actually like, you know, because that's how gravity works if you're falling off a building. So then you make it look like you're just struggling to hang on. Put your other arm like this.
Make sure no one's in the background because it'll ruin the shot, obviously.
Yeah, but yeah, with the right angle and the right place, it turn out like this.
And then after you get all of that done, you're gonna want to flip the video so it appears that it's upside down. And now you finish it out, Alan.
And with the proper angle and the right background, it'll make it look like you're actually falling off a building.
So on a serious note, if you guys want to look like you're levitating, all you need to do is take your two shoes, tie them together like this. It's honestly just a matter of perspective. You want to position yourself to where you can only see one foot. And after you position yourself like that, you want to pick up your right foot and stand on the tippy toes with your other foot. So it'll look like this. like that. And for a brief moment, it'll actually look like you're levitating. For this next photo hack, you can actually make it look like you have a lot of friends. It's more of an advanced panoramic hack. Let me show you guys how it works. So you and Andrew get over here, and I'm gonna open up the camera app, and just act like you're hanging out. Be like talking and everything, right? Be like, oh, like what are you up to? Just hanging out with some friends. So we're gonna be taking 3 pictures right here. We're gonna stand right here for one of them, one in the middle, one on top of the couch. All right. Move.
Oh, now I actually understand how to use it.
Wait, and here's the results right here. That looks pretty good. It looks like there's a party going on. Oh my god. It's important to get your stretches in every single day. As you can see, he's a lot more flexible than I am. I can't reach nearly as far as him. I can't. I just don't know the angle nearly as well as he does. He's got it cheated. But on a serious note, if you want to appear to be super flexible, what you want to do is you're going to want to take your shoes off, and then you're going to want to sit right in front of your knees like this, and wrap your hands around the shoe. Sit down on your knees like this, stretch forward, and then just start stretching. And with the right angle, it appears that he's super flexible.